So as you can see on my table here, there are all sorts of gadgets by Honor, okay? Because in this video, I want to talk to you about all scenario products. So what is all scenario products? Let's check it out. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So recently at MWC Barcelona, Honor actually announced their new thing called Honor Alpha Plan. So Honor Alpha Plan is basically a 3-stage plan transitioning the brand from being just a leading smartphone maker to an AI device ecosystem company. And when it comes to ecosystem and AI, it has to include multiple devices that can actually help consumers in multiple scenarios. So in this video, we will demonstrate what is this full ecosystem because apparently other than Apple, Honor is the other brand that has a full ecosystem of devices. So in layman terms, okay, what is all scenario product? So it's basically a group of devices that helps us, for example, a smartphone for us to do our day-to-day activities, calling and stuff like that, a tablet for presentation, for entertainment, and also earbuds for listening to music, for video calls, and a wearable, for example, a smartwatch like this to track our health and also activities. And to make the ecosystem work, all the devices must be able to communicate and talk to each other and also passing information and data easily without making the consumer feel like it's a chore. And when it comes to buying devices under Honor, there are actually multiple price range, multiple level of category of products. Just in case you are tight on a budget and you still want a tablet, you will still be able to find the right choice for you. So let's talk about all these devices now. The first one is Honor Pad X9A, which starts from 999 ringgit. This ecosystem wouldn't be complete without the tablet, and the Honor Pad X9A is crowned as the ultimate drama companion by iQIYI. The tablet also has a very large screen and long battery life, perfect for all your entertainment needs. The screen is 11.5 inch with 2.5K display, not only delivers stunning high-def visuals but also designed to be eye-friendly. As I mentioned, the Wi-Fi version is 999 and the Wi-Fi plus LTE version is only 1299. Just in case you want to splurge a little bit more to get an even better tablet, there's Honor Pad V9. The Honor Pad V9 starts from 1999 and is for those who prioritize a superior office experience. There's also innovative AI note-taking features that can help to enhance productivity, allowing us to work smarter and not harder. Both the tablets, the V9 and also the X9A, they actually come with Bluetooth keyboard and also a stylus. If tablet is not a thing, definitely you're into laptops, right? So laptop-wise, Honor has the Honor MagicBook X14 and it starts from 2499. So this laptop weighs under 1.5 kg and looks very sleek for mobile office work. It has a very narrow bezel, eye-friendly screen and a 42 watt-hour battery that ensures long-lasting performance. It's also powered by a 13th generation Intel processor which handles multitasking with ease, making it excellent for day-to-day work. See, I'm listening to music, but at the same time, if anyone talks to me, I can still hear them because this is the brand new Honor Buds Open. We all know that the Honor phone purchases come with Bluetooth earphones, but they actually have a brand new one called Honor Earbuds Open, and this is Honor's first open-ear earphone designed to connect seamlessly with the Honor Magic 7 Pro to activate AI translation feature. And this allows real-time translation of conversations into language you can easily understand, making it an invaluable tool for those frequently navigating foreign countries. If you don't understand what I just mentioned, for example, if you are wearing the Honor Earbuds Open and when you are in, say, Japan, when some Japanese talks to you in Japanese, you can actually hear your language here from the earbuds instantly. So the last thing I want to mention to you is this, the Honor Watch 5, which is also brand new and it starts from 599. The Honor Watch 5 combines stylish design and functionality and it comes in 3 different colors. Black and gold silicone strap for 599, green leather strap for $649. It also has a 15-day battery life, so you don't have to charge this at all for 2 weeks. Other than that, there's also GPS positioning and convenient one-click health check function. So health check function can actually give you report on heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress, sleep, and heart health. And all these things, other than viewing it from the watch, you can also check it on your tablet or your Honor Magic 7 Pro. So apart from hardware, the software is also very important to connect everything, okay? Hence, Honor actually calls the technology Honor Connect. Very easy, right? So the first thing is connected call. Basically, when you receive a call, you can actually choose to pick up the call from any devices around you. For example, your phone, your tablet, your laptop, or anything. Similarly, connected notification allows you to check on your notifications with nearby devices, not just your phone. There's also another thing called multi-screen collaboration, and that basically means you can actually access your phone on your laptop or your tablet and you don't have to use your phone at all. Now the next thing is called Honor Magic Ring. This is not the ring that you put on your finger, okay? This is basically a ring of devices connected to your Honor ID. So it's easy for you to transfer files, transfer data, and also transfer information among all the devices inside this circle, aka ring. When it comes to sharing files to other devices on other ecosystems, it is also possible with Honor Share. So with Honor Share, Honor devices can actually share data with iOS devices up to 85 megabits per second and with other Android devices up to 40 megabits per second. And in the future, according to Honor, that we can also transfer files with other platforms like PC and Mac. So what do you think? Do you think Honor has fulfilled all its promises under the Honor Alpha plan? Let me know in the comments below, okay? And if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I have more videos about Honor devices that if you love Honor, okay? Share this video with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.